Fall and winter is a time of the year that I spend a little bit more time in the kitchen. Soups and stews and really warm meals, crock pot and having the oven on. I love really creating that, warm smelling food. And it's so nice to have a warm meal in the belly when it's cold outside. And so a few years ago, collaborated with some friends and colleagues to put together some of our favorite warm soups and stews recipes. Now, this is an older guide and it's inside my nutrition and wellness library. And I wanted to share it with you again because I recently just come across it and found some delicious recipes that I'm putting back into my rotation this year. So dive on in. The way that these recipes work is that you're going to sign up with a username and email. So just go ahead and put your name and email address below. It's going to send you an email with your access into the program. It's completely free. This is a library of tons of free resources for you. Once you're in there, you'll see recipes and meal plans and guides and journals. This is my gift to you. It's tons of stuff that I use with my clients. And this entire library right now is available for free to you. So go ahead, check it out. And while you're there, you're going to go looking for the Healthy Soups and Stews recipe book, and I'll give you the information inside. You're going to find things like my chicken quinoa chili recipe and some other delicious stuff. So I hope you enjoy it. My gift to you, it's cold outside today, so I'm going to be digging this out myself and finding some yummy warm recipes to make. So go ahead, sign up with your name and email with the link that's provided here. You're going to get an email with giving you access into all of the stuff for free. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it.